Today I am at Bhubaneswar. So this is my Thar and this is the Himalayan. Actually I am going for the fast servicing of this bike. By mistakenly I forgot to say a good warm hello to every viewers. So yeah, hello friends, hello bikers. So today is the fast servicing of this bike Himalayan. I am finding little bit heavy, but yeah, this is manageable because I am finding it little bit heavy. So I am taking this full circle so that I won't find any issue. So currently I am residing at Kalinganagar, Bhubaneswar, and I have scheduled the fast servicing at Royal Enfield Trupti World, which is at Kalinga Vihar. So this is around 9-10 kilometers from here. So yeah, let's ride. This is the city ride. Here the roads are narrow, but after some distance we will find tough roads. Actually this road is bit plain, so I am not finding enough places so that I can off-road this bike. And if you can see, like, the bike is already 721 kilometer I have ridden, and the fast servicing is actually 500 kilometer. So yeah, this is T Chowk. The name of this chowk is T Chowk. In this road I need to go. See the kind of traffic over here, like the absurd riding and absurd kind of driving they are doing, like from any angle, from any place they are coming to anywhere. So yeah, let's go. This is the Kalinga Vihar road. Prestigious apartments like Tata Haryana, all these places are here. So the time is actually 9:27 I guess, but here in the display it is showing 8:22. So I am going to rectify this one too. Today is actually Monday, so the one thing I need to schedule it is, first I need to go to showroom and do the fast servicing as earliest as possible, then return back to home. Wife and kid is at home, so need to come back as soon as possible, then again resume the office work. So yeah, let's ride. Today is actually, what we can say, March, starting of the March month. Here you can see the Tata Housing Haryana is there, a very good building. People who are acquiring money like above 20 or 15 lakhs, they can stay here. Okay, so yeah, what I was saying, yeah, so today is actually 2nd March. Okay, so this is the starting of the March month, but I can see the warm in the climate. It is already a bit hot, so I am wearing a wind cheater kind of thing from Performax, so to get rid of the sunlight, and wearing the same empty helmet. So yeah, let's ride. The bike is actually going smooth, but it is bit dirty due to the dust. I don't know, like, whether they are going to wash this one as part of the fast servicing or not, but I'll try to convince them to have a wash, at least like water wash, so that some dust will be erased from the bike and it will look pretty good, because this is a shining black color. If we do the wash properly, it will look very good. But where I am residing is actually, that is a very dusty place, and a lot of house construction works are going on. So due to that reason, actually the bike is getting a lot of dust actually. Along with that, I want to do one more check. Like, this is a tube thing. Okay, so for this bike I need to check the tire pressure at regular frequency, so that I need to be pretty sure that I am riding at the correct pressure, or else if in the road, if I got any kind of puncture, then it will be a very huge task for me, because the bike is kind of 196 kg weight, and it will be sorry for the hooping, it will be very tough to make it reach to the puncture shop, because 196 is a pretty heavy weight. So yeah, that's what. Yeah, good relaxation point is that this bike has given double stand, not like that RC390 or Honda CBR. So I can, if the bike got punctured at any place, then the only work I can do is like I can make double stand, then by doing the handle lock go to any place like near puncture shop, or else need to call any friend to bring a puncture guy to the bike, or else there is no reason. So I am near the Tata, sorry, I am near the DN Regalia now. This is the road to the DN Regalia, and the Trupti World at Royal Enfield showroom is at the other side of the road. I have, okay, let the Creta come. Actually, in the review I have seen that people are getting very much difficulty for riding this bike in the traffic, but I don't know why I am not getting that much toughness for maneuvering this bike in the traffic. See, like this way, it's very good to maneuver this bike. So I am not getting that much hardness to maneuver this one, but yeah, like whenever I am not using the engine pressure, like in the traffic where a lot of bikes and cars are stuck at one time, maybe due to the height issue or weight issue of this bike, I may face any problem. So this is the Kalinga Vihar bus stand, and this is the service road, and this is the main road, like the flyover to Khandagiri, and the showroom is actually at the other side of the road. So I need to make the U-turn. Actually, I don't know at which place I need to make the U-turn. While I have seen in the map, it was showing that it is before DN Regalia. So I have thought to go to that Bermuda bypass, sorry, the underpass, and then take a U-turn, because here we don't have any kind of U-turns are there. The time is, what time it is, 9:30, and I can easily find the rush in the main road. Let me stand. You can see the people are going, much people are going to office actually. And this rush is not here much here, because this is the Khandagiri place, and this is the, you can say, like downtown area. But whenever you will glide to the main highway, then you can find the rush actually. Okay, because I need to go to that side, so I am taking the underpass. I can see the Royal Enfield there, the Indian Oil petrol pump is there. So actually in the map it was showing that it is near that petrol pump. So yeah, let me go and take the underpass at some place that Trupti World will be there. Actually I need to mount this GPS mount over here. I don't want to put the GPS mount in the handle, because I think I will face some issue with the maneuvering if I put this mobile mount over here, because that the mount, the waterproof mount, that comes with a definite box actually, and that gives us a weight that is little bit weight. So I have thought to put a GPS mount over here, and then we'll see from that place. I don't want to use it in the handle, so that's the reason I haven't put it here. After this fast servicing, I will put that mount from Moto Torque or Auto Engine. I will buy that one. Actually, let's go. Where is that Royal Enfield showroom? I am thinking it should be near at some places. Okay, yeah, let's ride. This is actually the Patrapada area. So where is that? Actually here that Volvo showroom is also there. Here the Pal Heights is there. So where exactly that showroom is, Okay, maybe I need to Google or I need to search for the map again because the showrooms are there. Yeah, here is the Royal Enfield showroom near the Trupti Kia. The Royal Enfield here is the dealer name is Trupti Bike World. So this one, I think it belongs to the same owner, like Trupti Kia and Trupti Royal Enfield. So okay, let me end the video over here. तो यहाँ है मुझे एक्चुअली रिटर्न पले आसूचे शोरूम रो द मेन न्यूज और द मेन हेडलाइट इज कि ये आज का सर्विसिंग है ही ना पाला बाइक रो. द सर्विसिंग ऑफ दिस बाइक इज नॉट डन टुडे ड्यू टू अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द इंजन ऑयल which is very much specific for the Himalayan 450 and our Gorilla 450. You can see this is DN Regalia. आमर खंडगिरी साइड रो इटा सब बड़ मल है. तो मेन कथा आज कहीं है ना पाला कहीं कि आमर आई डोंट थिंक सो बट आम हिमालयन 450 आउ जेन Gorilla 450 ये दुही तीर है. Royal Enfield is using a engine whose name is actually Sherpa. Okay, Sherpa 450. So this is I'll say like this is a BHP based engine oil. I guess they are providing or some sort of different things which is not similar to their very own 350 series and 650 series. तो तांकर कहबार कथा होचे कि हमर 450cc रो लागे पूरा डिफरेंट सेगमेंट रो गोटे इंजिन ऑयल आसे. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. जदि हेन्ता हेता बोले आमर मे बी आई डोंट हैव प्रॉपर नॉलेज बट आई एम थिंकिंग Royal Enfield is using the same engine oil for the 350cc cruiser series and that is also used for our 650cc Interceptor or Continental GT. Friends who are using Interceptor or Continental, they can tell me whether I am saying correct or wrong, but you can post that one in the comment section if any 650cc guy is watching the video. तो आमर 450cc रो इंजिन ऑयल तो नाइन न कहले बेले यहाँ मुझे पले आसे. बट द हिलारियस थिंग आई विल गो टू डिस्कस नाउ. ओके, तो मेन कथा हो कि मुई काली का आसली येस्टरडे ऑल्सो आई केम टू दिस शोरूम पात्रपड़ा तृप्ति वर्ल्ड पात्रपड़ा रॉयल एनफिल्ड. ओके, सो काली का मुझे आसली कि मैंने आमर कॉल करके at first actually I called one folk by dialing to the Royal Enfield service site number which is being present in the Google itself. Okay, तो मैं हेनु कॉल करके अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करी. तो है यहाँ कि मुझे आसली तो देन आई टोल्ड कि मोर अपॉइंटमेंट बुक अच्छे. देन से मैंने जेन खातार व्हाट एवर शो नोटबुक वेयर दे आर राइटिंग एंड नोटिंग इट डाउन. तो कहले कि ना आपनकर गाड़ी नंबर तो नाइन. तो मुई कहली कि कहीं थी लगी नाइन व्हाट्स सो रीजन बिकज आई ऑलरेडी हैव बुक्ड इट. तो कहले कि नाई आमर तृप्ति वर्ल्ड रो हेले दुईटा कि तीनटा शोरूम अच्छे आमर सीआरपी रे भी गोटे शोरूम अच्छे. तो मैं कहले अच्छा ओके. तो आपनकर बोधे नंबरटा आमर सीआरपी रे बुक होइथिबा कथा. तो मे भी सीआरपी रे इटा होइथिबा कथा कहले. तो मैं कहली कि यहाँ तो मत ऑफिस बार बार अच्छे. तो मैं इनू ही करी पात्रपड़ारू सीधा घर के जाकर either I will do the office work or else CRP गले again it will be delay and then it will again delay my office timing works. Okay, तो मुई काली का रिटर्न पले आसली आ सिक्यूरीटी गार्ड पाखे जेन मैनुअल हिसाब रे जेनता हमर रखा होचे काना कि माने सर्विस लगे. तो मैं हेनु मोर नंबर देके पले आसली गाड़ी नंबर एंड इंजन नंबर चेसिस नंबर विथ मोबाइल नंबर ऑल कि मोर हिमालयन 450 सर्विसिंग आज का करबार अच्छे है. देन आई वेंट शार्प 9 AM टुडे. ओके, शार्प 9 AM आई वेंट टू द शोरूम. तो फास्ट तो तुम स्टाफ मैंने आसीगले आमर केते बजे 10 बजे आसुचन. ओके, देन आई वाज सिटिंग देयर एंड आई वाज डूइंग द ऑफिस वर्क एक्चुअली. ओके, तापर मत तुम मैंने आधा घंटा 10:30 पर मत नोटिफिकेशन आसूचे कि कहूचन कि मोर आमर एसीसी रो इंजिन ऑयल ही नाइन. तो बीटा बहुत ये लगला. तो आई वाज वेरी मच फ्यूरियस एंड आई हैव थॉट टू रेज अ service request or SR or whatsoever complaint to the Royal Enfield that this showroom is putting these many monopolies and and please try to solve my problem because my bike is now 700-800 km running without the fast service. तो मत तो भाई ये शोरूम नहीं कराबार अच्छे मत हेतकी दूर जाइए कराबार नाइन न एंड एंता नुहे जे कि शोरूम है माने काफ़ी छोट शोरूम है. दिस इज ए वेरी बिग शोरूम. तो पात्रपड़ा तृप्ति वर्ल्ड रॉयल एनफील्ड इज ए वेरी बिग शोरूम एक्चुअली. एंड मुझे वीडियो तो रिकॉर्ड नहीं करके माने शोरूम में कैन गाड़ी थी बट यू विल नॉट सी ए नॉर्मल 350cc सेगमेंट इनसाइड द शोरूम. यू विल सी ओनली द 450 सीरीज एंड दे आर हाईली recommended 650 series. BR 650, Interceptor 650, Continental GT 650, Super Metro 650, Shotgun 650, Gorilla 450, Himalayan 450. ये सातटा गाड़ी ही मुझे शोरूम भीतर देखली. I didn't see any kind of standard, any kind of classic or meteor. So showroom is very big, but the service is very hilarious, very disrespectful and very disaster. Disrespectful actually the behavior of the staffs are. मन कर मुझे पचराऊे कि अच्छा ठीक अच्छे आज का 450cc इंजिन ऑयल नाइन तो केबे तक अवेलेबल तुम दे पारब. दे डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉपर नॉलेज किसी नॉलेज नाइन. दे आर टेलिंग कि माने अगर आमर ई नंबरटा आप नहीं जातु आम मैंने जेन मैंने सर्विस गाए फ्लोर रे रोचन आपन हमको कॉल करबे. मीन्स लिटराली थिंग इज बीइंग ए कस्टमर यू नीड टू कॉल द रॉयल एनफील्ड सर्विस गाइज कि आज्ञा आमर इंजिन ऑयलटा आसलान कि नुहे आसे. सो दैट इज द थिंग एंड यू नीड टू कॉल देम लाइक दे आर योर मैनेजर्स एंड हेन्ता ही हवा. तो आई हैव थॉट to raise a complaint. Basically that complaint will go to Royal Enfield and I will put specifically the name of this showroom with the GST PIN number that this service is not being provided here even though the bikes are available. See the persons how they are coming. तो यहाँ ही मुझे भावी तो याद तो मुझे घर के पले आसिल ना आसिक मत ऑफिस काम भी करवा बिकॉज दिस इज ए मंडे एंड एक्चुअली आई हैव थॉट कि माने पहला सर्विस तो है मुझे पले जमी शोरूम के इन हाफ एन आवर और 30 मिनट्स दे विल एग्जीक्यूट. तो मुझे 9 बजे जाइए तो आई हैव थॉट कि से 10टा 10:30 भीतर करदे एंड विदिन दैट टाइम आई विल ऑल्सो डू सम काइंड ऑफ ऑफिस वर्क करके घर के पले आसबे देन आई विल कंटिन्यू. बट डिजास्टर हैपेंड. सो आउ एथरा करी का हवा व्हाट सो things we can do some if the things are not in our hands and if the ball is not in our court. So एटा तो मैं घर के आसी गल ना ये शोरूमटा मोर घर न हार्डली 4.5 और 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस रोचे. सो आई फाइंड इजी टू गो दिस शोरूम बट थिंग्स आर नॉट देयर. तो मे भी मत CRP वाला शोरूम जीवा के पड़ी पारे. तो या मुझे यार घर पाखे आसी गल ना दैट इज माय बिल्डिंग सिद्धिविनायक रेसिडेंसी. लेट मी पुट द इंडिकेटर एंड गो. कहीं नहीं आसबार. तो yeah, I am closing the block. I have reached the office here. Sorry, I have reached my home. Let's park the bike. So yeah, please hello. I don't know why this person is looking in that way, but yeah, I am closing the video for now today. So yeah, take care. Jai Jagannath, Jai Ma Samleswari, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, so bye friends.